Imagine waking up to the sound of ocean waves, surrounded by lush greenery, vibrant textures, and warm, natural materials that bring the tropics indoors. Today, I'm revealing the ultimate design secrets that will transform any home in San Juan del Sur into a true tropical paradise. Ready to create the dream home you have always wanted? San Juan del Sur isn't just a beach town, it's a lifestyle. Here, nature is vibrant, the ocean calls, and the warm climate lets you live outdoors year-round. So, how do you create a home that embraces and celebrates this tropical environment? Let's dive into the key elements that make tropical style work beautifully in San Juan del Sur, giving your home both function and that relaxed vacation vibe every day. The tropical beach house style is all about harmony with the environment. Here are the 5 essential elements to nail the look and feel. Natural materials everywhere, from bamboo and rattan to locally sourced hardwoods. Using natural materials helps connect the home to the outdoors. These materials add warmth, texture, and durability against the coastal climate. Open spaces and airflow. Open. Every layout are key. Think large. Open spaces with natural cross ventilation and windows that bring in ocean breeze. No AC required. This creates a comfortable, sustainable environment year-round. Indoor-outdoor integration. The goal is to blur the lines between indoor and outdoor spaces by using glass doors, patios, and even open floor plans. You'll make the most of your tropical surroundings and create a flow from your home right to nature. Lush native landscaping. Plants are more than decor. They are essential to creating that tropical vibe. Native plants like pond, hibiscus, and bird of paradise thrive here and will bring vibrancy and a cooling effect to your space. Natural color palette with pops of tropical hues. Think light airy tones like sandy beige, soft greens, and white paired with bold accents like turquoise, coral, and yellow. This creates a relaxing backdrop that reflects the natural beauty of San Juan del Sur. Now that we know the basics, here's how to make it practical and functional for your home in San Juan del Sur. Use durable, weather-resistant materials. Choose materials that can handle humidity, salty air, and intense sun exposure. Treated wood, concrete, and quality outdoor fabrics are your best friends here. Choose sustainable features. Sustainable features like solar panels and rainwater harvesting work hand in hand with tropical design principles and make your home eco-friendly and cost-effective in the long run. Ventilation tips for cooling. Positioning windows and vents to allow airflow can keep your home naturally cool, cutting down on energy usage and enhancing that open, breezy vibe. Keep decor minimalist but personal. A minimalist approach with just a few personalized touches like travel souvenirs or local art keeps the focus on the natural beauty around you. It's easy to make these design mistakes when aiming for a tropical style. Here's what to avoid. Overloading with patterns or colors. Too many patterns or bright colors can overwhelm the space. Keep it balanced with a neutral base and let the nature provide the vibrancy. Ignoring local climate needs. Tropical style isn't just about looks. Make sure your design choices, like ventilation and durable materials, support San Juan del Sur's unique climate. Forgetting to consider maintenance. Some materials might look beautiful but are hard to maintain. Go for options that will stand up to the climate and be easy to care for. Are you ready to transform your home into the ultimate tropical beach paradise in San Juan del Sur? Remember, it's about blending beauty and functionality to embrace the vibrant tropical lifestyle here. If you want more design tips and project insights, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications. Let's turn your tropical dream into reality.